Hi, this is Matt from GravityWiz. Today we're going to be looking at how to dynamically populate Gravity Forms choices from a Google Sheet, using Gravity Connect Google Sheets and Gravity Perks Populate Anything. In this example, we'll be populating each wizard contained in this Google Sheet, so they appear as choices in a drop-down field on our form. The same method will work for other types of choice-based field, including radios, checkboxes, and image choice fields. The first thing we need to do is ensure GC Google Sheets and GP Populate Anything are both installed and activated in Spellbook. We also need to make sure we have connected our Google account in the GC Google Sheets settings. OK, we now need to give GC Google Sheets permission to access our particular sheet. In the Google Sheets settings, click Show Spreadsheets, and then click Add Resource. This will open up the Google Sheets file picker. We can then select our Google Sheet and add this as a resource. This now allows us to use the Google Sheet with GP Populate Anything. Now that's done, we can head over to the form editor. I'm going to add our drop-down field and call this Select Wizard. Now, we could just manually enter each wizard as a choice, but that would mean we need to manually update the form whenever the data changes. By populating from Google Sheets, it provides an easier way to keep the choices fresh and updated. As this is a choice-based field, there are two Populate Anything settings. In this case, we're only interested in the Populate Choices Dynamically setting, denoted by the orange lightning bolt. Let's go ahead and enable that. Next, we're going to choose Google Sheet as our object type. We can then select our spreadsheet from the drop-down. Finally, we can select the final sheet or tab from the spreadsheet. In our example, we want to populate all the wizards from the spreadsheet, but if you needed to filter this down, you can add filters here. Now we just scroll down to the bottom of the settings to the choice template, and we can now set up the choice template for the value and label. In this case, we want the wizard name as the value and as the label. We can see it's already found 10 results. Let's save the form and take a look how it looks. You can now see all our wizards from the sheet are being dynamically populated into the drop-down field. If we add, edit or remove any wizards in the sheet, these will automatically be updated on the form field. If you want to take this further and populate data into other fields on the form based on the selected choice, check out our video about how to pre-fill form fields based on spreadsheet data. I hope this video has been helpful in learning how to populate Gravity Forms choices with data from a Google Sheet. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please reach out to support, where one of our support wizards will be more than happy to help.